But I got these ones on Amazon, but you never know if it's the right seller or, you know, if it's going to be the right product. So take it as it is. To me, for at least Spec-D and everything, these seem really cheap. The plastic and everything just seems real brittle. Go ahead and take the clear off. But on the outside, they seem pretty nice. Let me compare the two here. They're a little bit darker. They got a much cleaner look to them. The reason I actually finally bought new ones is because my driver's side fell off going down the road, and it took the I can't remember what it's called, but this piece right here. But it took that with it, so I had to order a whole new one of those from Toyota. But let's go ahead and put them in. Let's see how they look. I don't have the bulbs right now. One was burnt out and the other one is laying on the road somewhere. But I'll get the new lights for those soon anyway. They don't really do much, so I don't really care too bad right now. But let's put them in. All right. Take out that. Let's just twist. I can't say it right. Twist in here usually. There we go. And then you feed this back in there. Doesn't seem right. It's in there, but I'm not real confident with that it's gonna stay. But as long as these brackets hold, or these clips, I really don't care right now. Oh, by the way, these are like, one of the reason I went with these, because the clips are $5 a piece. These were 35 or 40 all together, which is pretty good. I like that a lot, actually. That looks really good. Super clean. Alright, let's do the driver's side now. This is a brand new one, so see if it fits any better. I really think it's the quality of this, to be honest. So. Just feed that back through there. Line up the clips. Damn. Yeah, it looks clean. Alright, that's all it is to it. They'll replace those side markers. They fit way better. They come with all the clips that you need. And they look a lot better, cleaner look. Definitely way better than the stock ones with the amber orange color. So, thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Later.
Go on and hate me, because I do what I do. Go on and hate me, because I got nothing to prove. Go on and hate me, because I got nothing to lose.